another video, and I'm using this beautiful polish. Look at that shine. I still don't know. I think it's purple or blue shimmer. So it's SuperChic Lacquer, Lost in Illusions. I think it is purple. Look at that. It's so pretty. Anyways, okay, so I have 2 coats of this on, and then I'm using Maniology M266, which is the self-care plate, super cute. And then Maniology M501, it's got like cute little positive sayings, so I'm using that as well. So as always, you want to remove the film on your plate, and then it's ready to use. I've never seen this happen before. Look at the blue film. It actually has like the images on it, and it would have been perfect if it wasn't so like stuck on there. It's so crazy. It's like even bumpy. I'm gonna have to, what plate was it? I have to wipe it down. Was it this one? Yeah, because I can see the hearts. That's insane. Maybe this plate's old and I just haven't used it. Anyways, so I did apply a nail art barrier from SuperChic Beauty because I can't find my one from Maniology. And actually, I think I see it. Anyways, so it is. Oh, it is. I don't know why I thought this was. Oh, everything just fell. Okay. I almost knocked over a nail polish bottle because this so cute. I got it for one of my Mother's Day presents. I have it up on top of my shelf. Okay, focus. I thought this was nail polish for some reason. Anyways. So this one's from Maniology. You can use that as well. Discount code Yvonne 10. So first up, I'm going to get this cute girl here. I almost did this one, which I actually might still, because you can see like the little flowers in her hair, but going with my first one. So I am applying some white polish, if I can open it, to here, and I'll probably end up stamping it again in black if I don't think it stands out good enough. So there's that. So I'm just going to grab some colors. I'm going to use SuperChic Lacquer, sugar coat it for her sweater. So I'm just going to get that. And then a brush, and I see a hair, of course. All right, so I'm just gonna go in, and it looks like her sleeves are rolled up a little bit, so just watch for that. And I totally like squished the brush, so I'm going to fix that just by putting it in acetone and wiping it like that so it's fixed again, and then getting polish, and then I'm going to paint in her shirt and up here, and then I'll be right back. So here's what it looks like so far, and the other side. And now I'm going to do her hair. I'm using SuperChic Beauty's You Had Me at Chocolate, so I only need a little bit for her hair. Then closing that up and getting the brush, and then her little bun and her hair just like this. And I might take the little hearts off. I'm not quite sure yet. I haven't decided. So that's what it looks like so far. And then I have SuperChic Lacquer's Cherry Bomb. And again, discount code for SuperChic Lacquer is Yvonne. I'm just going to do the little mouth, and I think I will do the hearts, even though I'm still thinking about taking them off. So we'll see. And then I have 191 from Clear Jelly Stamper. Just doing her face and arms, although I don't know if this is like a yellowy or like a skin tone. I mean, it looks skin tone to me. Okay, so doing her little hands. Now her arm. Like that. And then I will be back. So here's what the back looks like. And I did remove the hearts because I don't like them. And that is what you'll see when you look at your nails. So I'm definitely going to stamp that in black so you can see her little eyelashes and stuff. But I'm going to let that dry. And then move on. So let's see. So I have Maniology stamping polish and it's Splash. And I'm going to be putting some hearts. So I'm just getting that and scraping and picking up. And then I think I'm going to put it right here on my middle finger like this. And then I am going to clean my stamper and I'm going to double stamp that with SuperChic Lacquer, which is not a stamping polish, but it works very well. This is Rock Hard. It's a really pretty blue. So again, not a stamping polish, but works amazingly. So I'm just picking that up and then going over that like this. There we go. So I just went ahead and did that to my middle. Oh wait, no, I did that one on camera. So I did it to my pinky. And then this is dried. And this nail is shiny because I have a sticky base coat on top now. So I'm putting it here. And then I'm going to get it again in black. So just going over to be able to see it a bit better. So gonna start at the head and then just go down slowly. And you can see the mouth moved, but it's okay. Just like this. Alright, and then I got M501. And I'm doing this the same way I did the heart nails. I did Maniology first. You can kind of see that. And now I'm going to go over with the SuperChic Lacquer, Rock Hard. And I did this one here. It says, "You are loved." So I'm just going to get that and clean my stamper before I forget. And then just go ahead and pick that up. Make sure I like it. And I think I'm going to scrape again because some of the letters are missing. Alright, so I grabbed it and I'm just going to go over like this. Again, it says, "You are loved." Just like that. And I think here I'm going to leave it blank. Maybe. We'll see. Alright, so I'm getting some smudge-free top coat. Although I do like the matte look. So I'm going to take pictures with both because I think I'm going to leave mine with the matte finish. Really like how it looks. And I like matte nails. But obviously you can do which ones you like the most. If you get some ideas and try this, let me know what colors you do or what sayings. So you are loved, and I have to remember that. My kids love me so much. And yeah, anyways, all right, have a good day. And remember, you're loved too. See you later. Bye.